Hi, I'm going to show you how I play with slime. So this is my slime my sister made. It's very bubbly. I don't know why, but I'm just gonna smudge that. But I like this. I'm gonna take it out. Oh, ASMR. It's called. I named it. It's called Marshmallow. How soft it is. And another one I made, it's purple from Allergic, my favorite, and it's called cotton candy because it's like feels like cotton candy, like squishing it, mixing it. And this feels like marshmallow, and I love marshmallows. Actually, I don't. Hashtag I don't. But it feels like marshmallows, like melted marshmallows, and I never did that before. But that's my favorite. I'm gonna choose some ASMR here. So I'm gonna do some ASMR. I love slime, and my sister and me, we made slime together. It was so much fun. So much fun. So much. What's so much? I don't know what I'm doing here. Some random things. I'm gonna make some ASMR here. I'm just at first gonna move the camera. Where should I put it? Oh, back here. Okay, we have this slime. Everybody be quiet. I have my sister's product, but don't tell anybody, even my sister. If you come to my house, if you touch the slime, you will feel like you are touching marshmallows, like melted marshmallows, because this actually feels like melted marshmallows. I never felt this good before. Oh, it's so much satisfying. I love this. I'm doing some ASMR. I never did ASMR before. But this is very, very, very soft. I love the texture. The texture is perfect. I don't know how my sister made this, but I was trying to make it more creamy because this is much more creamy. I think she added cream, like shaving cream. We used that, and I think she used a lot, and then it mixed it well and turned into a marshmallow. Then I added some a little bit of water, but don't tell her. But it made it better. And I had it in my playroom. She doesn't play with it anymore. And my sister has a stand cup, and I do too. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm doing torture to this slime, I think. Oh, check if there's any slime. Nope. But I remember we made farting sounds, and it's very loud. Seriously, I'm gonna grab it. Just wait here, okay? I'll run and try to make farting sounds. I'm back. I got an Elsa cup. I don't really like Frozen. I'm just out of breath. Okay, now. This texture, I love it. Hold on, I don't want to destroy it, but I had to. Seriously, like, it cannot destroy it. It's so, look. Oh, now finally. But it cannot destroy. It's a very, 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 very stretchy. Ready? Okay. Are you ready? We have some YouTube on. Ready? What was that? I'm just doing some videos. And I never, ever did this before. This is actually my very first time doing videos. I'm super excited doing this. I'm doing it out of my dad's phone, so it's his account. It didn't make that much foreign sounds, but now it does. Okay, phew. It's very sticky. That's why I call it marshmallow slime, because marshmallows are pretty sticky when you melt it. It's like melted marshmallow, sticky, fun, very, very, very squishy. Like a lot of fun with these. My sister made a perfect texture of slime. I don't know how she did that, but I love it. Like, I think I'm stealing it. And I made a purple one, and somebody stole it, and I can never find it. I never find it. My sister made a pink one. It's not perfect like this one, but my purple one is kind of like perfect like this one. I was trying to add a lot of whipped cream, and then, not whipped cream, cream, like shaving cream, but we can't, but we use my dad's whipped cream, but don't tell him, please, 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 please. Bye! I hope you will like this.